So I'd just be aware that any of those brands that are selling things over the counter, it's not going to work. There's quite a big social media trend going on about DIY tooth whitening, or all these kind of teeth whitening hacks. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, first of all, I'd say tooth whitening per se is something that is a great adjunct to what we do as professionals for our patients. It can change someone's smile and their perception of themselves very quickly and very easily. It's non-invasive. We don't have to touch the teeth at all. And we can get amazing results, which really gives people self-confidence. But to me, it has to be done in a professional environment. Mm-hmm. What people don't realize is that when we do it, we take molds, we make customized trays that people can use at home, and then we give them a gel which is properly certified and we know is the right type of product. And as dental professionals, we're in the position to deliver that service. I think I have seen the results of DIY kits that are bought on the internet, where you take your own impressions, you send them into a company that's not certified, you don't know what the gel is. I mean, it's wrought with danger and problems. If you have the wrong type of peroxide gel, which is the bleaching agent, the whitening agent, and it doesn't, your tray doesn't fit properly, that then goes into your mouth. And we've seen terrible examples of people burning their gums and causing all sorts of damage. So personally, I think done in the right way through dental professionals, tooth whitening is a wonderful thing to have, and people should not be scared of asking about it when they go into their dentist. I don't know if you've got anything to add.
Yeah, I was going to say, obviously there's these kind of black market teeth whitening options, but actually there's also a lot of companies out there advertising on TikTok and also actually in the main kind of superstores. And the reality is, because of regulation in the UK and in the EU, anything they sell is actually not strong enough to actually do anything. So I'd just be aware that any of those brands that are selling things over the counter, it's not going to work. There's only so much it's going to do. And then something else which a lot of people are using is charcoal toothpaste, which the way it works, it's highly abrasive, so it gets rid of superficial staining, which is absolutely fine, similar to a skin and polish. But there's a reason why you only do a polish ever so often. If you're doing it day in, day out, it's just wearing away at that teeth, and it's wearing away at the enamel, which is the white part of the tooth, and all that's doing, the thinner and thinner that gets, you'll start to get shine through of the dentine underneath, which is actually a yellow colour. So whilst it may be great initially, long term you're actually causing your teeth to be darker.
Yeah. I mean, we have to be very careful about the abrasive levels of toothpaste, and you can actually look that up now. You can take your there's a score, isn't there?
Yeah.
That the public can find relating to a toothpaste and the abrasiveness that it is on a scale. So, you know, if you're looking at a toothpaste like that, maybe it's best that you look it up and ensure that it's safe for you.